Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andi Wahyudi with NPM 22,411,201. Class Management 22C. Okay. Homogeneity test. Understanding homogeneity test. The homogeneity test is a testing method in statistics designed for whether two or more samples from different populations have the same distribution of variance of characteristics. The homogeneity test is a prerequisite in the analysis of the independent sample test and analysis of variance ANOVA. Homogeneity tests were carried out using the test statistic, better test, Levin test, Cohen test, and Hall test. The hypothesis the tested depends on the sample size. 1. 2 sample. The null hypothesis states that the two populations have the same distribution values, and the alternative hypothesis intersects the two populations have different distribution value. 2. Mark the two samples. The null hypothesis states that the population samples are the same, and the alternative hypothesis indicates that is less on population variance is different. When to is a homogeneity test. The homogeneity test is carried out to find out whether the two populations of variable X and Y have the same distribution, but when excited is the homogeneity test usual. Whether from study smarter, there are several considerations is that homogeneity test can be called out. 1. Variable must be categorical because the homogeneity test tests the quality of variance in two or more populations, but must come from the same group. For example, referring and study population published in the journal Condition Medical Communication Journal. This study wanted is to how much the choices differ in area management to survey a heart attack based on where they live, namely house or apartment of the 1, 2, and 3 followers of fighter. So the population is divided into heart attack sufferer living at home, heart attack sufferer dwelling or apartment of the 1 and 2 floors. Heart attack sufferer when live in apartment on the 3 floor in fighter. 2. Sample taken randomly. The sample is selected randomly and as observation observation, item is only allowed to be in one category. For the example of her painting above, a person could live in a house or a apartment, but to be part of the sample, they had to choose only one of them. However, according to Singerborn and Evans, the minimum sample size is proper so that the test result will be better. Homogeneity test proves the homogeneity of two or more group being measured can be determined from the significance value. If the significance value is equal to or greater then the variance of two or more groups of data by measure of homogeneity. If the significance value is smaller then variance of two or more groups of data by measure is not homogeneous. Example of homogeneity test. The homogeneity test was carried out to find out what her student and formal student of Oxford University student and formal informal student were random selection of and the following data what found is now how the distribution of residents of university student and formal student at pharmacy as the sum. The distribution of residents for student and formal student at university is different at the calculation. It was finding that is significance value. Meanwhile, according to homogeneity test rules, data is said to be homogeneous. So it can be called that the two groups have different distribution the value instead. Thanks all and thanks. Sekian dari saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.